Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips to Dave. And guess what we're going to be looking at today in this video? Affiliate marketing results for the month of October. Now, you guys have seen the September results. I'm happy to share with you guys the October results. And then obviously every single month we'll be looking at it again. I'm super excited for this month actually because it was a great month last month to share with you guys the results and everything else and the strategy that we have. But this month, I have been traveling and doing a lot of things, but the consistency is there. So I want to get into the details of actually showing you how the strategy is working, what's the progress, how are we looking at it, and also the journey of an affiliate marketer. Because a lot of the times people focus on only the positives, on how to generate a certain commissions, etc., which is all great news. But at the same time, you need to show the journey. So I'm on this channel specifically, we are focused on documenting that entire journey. So if you're interested in any of these videos, I'm going to hop onto my laptop and share with you guys a little bit more. Awesome, guys. Here I am on my laptop. And before I go ahead and share with you every single thing related to this strategy and what happened in the month of October, guys, what you see on screen right now is the entire strategy. It's a two-step process that I'm following. I'm documenting my entire journey on YouTube. As you guys can see, month after month, you're getting these updates. But more than anything else, I'm also putting a lot of training out every single week. So if you haven't subscribed yet, my recommendation to you would be to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, because that way you get notified every single week when I post videos every single week. Guys, 3 videos every week is going to come out. So that's why it's important for you. I'm also definitely going to be, let's say, giving this whole entire process. I've spent 2023 basically testing this method. It is working for me. Everything is working smoothly. Now it just needs consistency. We've plugged in the whole strategy. And if you guys want to know more about the strategy, there's a playlist in the description. Hit that playlist, watch it. But just to let you know, there are 2 steps. The first step is a cash flow generating step, as I call it. So the only aim of that step is to start to generate a cash flow. The second step, as you can see, is now building your foundation for your affiliate marketing, which needs time and effort, but it also needs consistency. So if you don't have consistency, then that's what's going to be a problem. The other thing is that this entire strategy is actually a time saver for me. It takes not more than 30 minutes a day for me to do this strategy everything that's involved in this strategy, because I do have a full-time job, guys. Affiliate marketing is my side hustle. I'm actually documenting this journey so that you can see what's working and what's not working, and what I'm focusing on more in order to get more results. So that's the whole idea from my side. And in doing so, this is why I'm documenting the journey. So the second step is crucial because it does what it said. It's a system, and then it allows you to understand your numbers and then go from there. Now, I will be having much more training in my group in the future, so stay tuned for that, and on this YouTube channel, obviously. But I am just definitely going to focus a lot more on step 2 in the next few videos that are coming up. So please stay tuned for that. This entire strategy, guys, it's after years of success and failures with affiliate marketing that I came up with this fundamental strategy. The reason why I have step 1 there is because usually people don't talk about it, because either you're using free methods, so you're spending time on advertising in order for you to generate traffic to your landing page that goes to your bridge page and so on and so forth, or you're using paid methods, which means you need to have a budget. Now, I personally, because I have a full-time job, because I'm busy doing things, and I wanted to spend the least amount of time doing the strategy but still taking advantage of affiliate marketing, I added the step 1, which is a cash flow generating business, which means I'm using a minimum spend every single month, and the actual spend is just $30 every single month to start to generate a cash flow. Once I have that cash flow in place, then I'm using that cash flow to consistently get paid traffic. So I don't focus on free traffic. I focus only on paid traffic. So paid advertising to my landing page, so that it generates more commissions, more data. I can see what audience works, how it's converting, whether I should improve something, whether or not. So I do focus on the skill sets, but the whole point is using paid marketing or paid advertising rather than free, just because I don't have the time to spend with free. That's it. That's simply it. And in doing so, I can go for vacations, I can do other things in my life, and spend it with living and not online all the time, because that's what was happening in the past for me. So it was I had clear motivations from creating this strategy. Now, if you want to know more about the strategy, by the way, there's a link in the description which will take you here. This is the first link in the description. Then you will also have a link to another resource, which is Mileage and Secrets. It's the part of the cash flow generating process that I have, which is step 1. On Mondays, I usually talk about that. And then you can see the tool that I have also, which is completely free, by the way, is also in the description. So any of the resources that you need from this video are all in the description of this video. Feel free to check them out. And it's really up to you if you want to get them or not. I have complete liberty and freedom on this channel to say that. Let me go ahead and share with you my results for October, and then I will share kind of the whole entire journey. Okay, so let's just look at October. So all my affiliate marketing commissions are stored or are tracked within Warrior Plus, guys. Warrior Plus is a network basically that I'm using in order to find products or services and then get paid from those products or services as an affiliate on Warrior Plus, which then I transfer into my own funds and so on and so forth. But it's a network, it's a hub that I'm using to be able to then do affiliate marketing. Okay, so Warrior Plus, if you don't know about it, you can go and check it out and just type Warrior Plus and you'll find lots of information about it. It's more than 10 years, if I'm almost 10 years, 2008, I think so it started. So yeah, a lot of time, more than 10 years that it's been running, working, and quite, in my opinion, worth it to take a look at. Sorry, I might need to log in again. So let's see. Let me just do that. Okay, guys, I'm back and I'm logged in. And as you can see, I've gone to affiliates right here and I've gone to transactions so that you can see my transactions from 1st of October till the 31st of October. Okay, and let's look at my entire commissions, what I've earned for October. Then we'll look at the other ones, but I just want to share with you October ones. So sales that I made 20 product sales basically in the month of October. And so 20 items were sold. It was worth over $40.41. So I don't have a high ticket funnel, guys, by the way. If I had 20 sales of $1,000, that would be a lot of money for me in the month of October, right? But I have a low ticket offer. I'm not focusing on a high ticket offer at the moment. Maybe in the future I will. But at this time, I just want to show you how to get started without thinking so much and using a simple strategy. So the strategy I'll talk about in a second. As you guys know, I mean, I've already spoken about it, but it is just following these 2 steps. Okay, I have it in detail in the other videos in the playlist in the description, but it's literally sending traffic to a landing page. And the offer that I own here are low ticket offers. They're not quite high ticket offers. So they're mid-range, let's say around $20 to $30, sometimes even lower. And as you can see from the commissions, you'll see a $4 commission, $20 commission, $2 commission, $12 commission. So it goes on and on, as you can see, but mainly $20. So I made 20 sales, $400 worth of sales, and $265.16. And I'm going to write that down so that we have it clear. Okay, so let me just do that. $265.16. Okay, and we'll just add soon to that. So that is $65. Should I put 62, 65? Yeah, 65. So that is what I've earned in commissions in Warrior Plus. Now, this is a mixture of step 1 and step 2. This is not just step 1, right? So what I'm going to look at right now is, if you can see, I have tracking codes right here. And the tracking codes basically allow me to look at my steps. So obviously right now I'm making more from my first step right here, which is MLGS. The tracking link is showing MLGS, as you can see. The second step is email and system. So let's just look at email just to have an idea. So with my email, so it's converting. I made 1 sale this last month. Okay, nothing great, nothing big. 1 sale came in through with my email, which is great to have. And I know it's converting, but sometimes the leads take time. Sometimes, the leads need more warming up period before they actually make sales. I've got higher commissions with my email, but it does take time. So it really varies. I made just 1 sale with my email. However, just purely my email purely my email. But through my funnel and my email, because some of these pages, and I'm going to show you guys which pages. So as you can see, 1 and 2, at least 3 pages right here. So that means $2.31, $11.24. And then here you can see that there's $4.75. These were earned through my email as well. And through my funnel, basically, I got 2 sales. So directly through my funnel, when I'm sending traffic through, so the step 2 got 2 sales, and then the rest got the other. So this month has been lower, I will admit, compared to usually it's around $100 in commissions that I'm earning from my funnel and from system itself. But this month has been a little bit lower. That's absolutely fine. And yeah, so far the entire month has been $265. Now, I've also made commissions in My Legion Secrets. The total amount of commissions that I made in My Legion Secrets has been $55 plus $59 is what I made in My Legion Secrets. So that is combining both of these. It's $324 in commissions, affiliate marketing commissions in the month of October. Now, my only expenditure has been $30. So I'm going to minus $30 from that. And so the total amount is $294.16. That is my total amount that I've earned in the month of October. Let's see how it goes in November. But as I said, this is how it is. Now, that being said, I'm going to go to my sales report. And what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to go to maybe July, if I can do that, or let's just do January. Perfect. So what I can show you right here is my entire journey this year. And the reason why I'm going to be sharing this is to give you guys an idea of what it takes with affiliate marketing. When I got started with the strategy in March, I made $100. That's it. Then in May, I made 219. April, I made 219. In May, I made 310. And then in June, I made 379. Then I went down. So you can see how the flow is, right? I went down to $300. Then I went even below that to 289 the following month of August. Then in September, I went a whopping 431, which is amazing. And then I went to 265 last month, and this month I'm at 187 right now. Let's see where it goes higher. So it goes up. Now that means it has been a drop since last month. Okay, it's about $100 drop since last month. But that happens because you're not going to get always consistently the same amount of sales. The point over here with this entire strategy is to create a system for yourself that is plug and play. What I mean to say is that over time, you know that the input will give you an output. It's very data driven. And that is the whole process that I'm trying to teach with you guys. Obviously, the way to improve it and the optimization has to be done with the landing pages, the emails that you're sending, and so on. You start to, change things up. But the first year, and this is the thing that I'm trying to share with you guys, the first year is collecting this data. Without this data, I don't know how to move forward. Because I have, since February till November, I have data now. I can start to think of how to move forward for the next year. Okay, so that is what I need to focus on more, what I need to focus on less, what's working, what's not working. Can I optimize my emails a bit more? I have the data to prove or show me the direction that I should be going in. So that's the whole point of this. It's a very I wouldn't say it's hands-free. It's a non-hype, realistic way of building a side hustle income with affiliate marketing that can become a full-time income for yourself with affiliate marketing. So if this is something that interests you, if you like the way I'm sharing with you openly, the ups and downs, the graphs, because it's not going to be always every single month whoopee, you're getting an amazing amount of money. There are ups, there are downs. That's a realistic journey with affiliate marketing, guys. We're all in this for the long term. The good thing is that the tools I use, you can get started for free. The only expenditure that I have is $30 every single month. So if you think about it, I'm spending $30 every single month, but I made a profit of $294.16 last month itself, just in this method. The previous month before that, it was at least $400 in profit just from this method. So everything that you see here is doable. They're not exaggerated numbers. They're realistic numbers that I'm doing on the side with a full-time job. Like I said, I have a very specific audience, so I'm focusing on you guys. If you're really interested, links are in the description, resources are there. Hit that subscribe button, obviously, to get notified for future videos. But other than that, I'm going to keep documenting my journey because I think it's very important that you guys see it and then see what is achievable for you guys. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next one.